Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The only real con to replacing your old siding versus painting is cost. While replacement siding is more expensive than painting, the look of a quality exterior is priceless and your new vinyl siding will provide aesthetic appeal for decades to come. 5 December 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Siding costs between $3 and $11 per square foot, with the average homeowner spending $4,300 to $15,800 to install on a 2,000 square foot home. The total cost to replace siding depends on the size of your home, the number of stories, and the materials used.
Take our lead.
The average cost for vinyl siding installation on a 1,500 square feet home can range from $4,658 to $5,795. The cost for vinyl siding is usually around $3.50 per square foot. A high-quality vinyl siding would increase the price and you could expect to pay as much as $7 per square foot.
Let's help you make your mark.
Vinyl siding will cost you anywhere from $3.50 to $7.50 per square foot installed for an average 1,500 square feet home with installation. In other words, the total cost will be $5,250 to $11,250 for a Cape-style or split ranch home. The siding cost is dependent on style and thickness ratings.
Let's help you make your mark.
Project summary. Work only in suitable weather, avoid hot, humid, or windy days. Choose the proper paint, latex urethane formulated for outdoor use. Prepare the vinyl surface by cleaning it thoroughly. Apply primer, if necessary, then 2 coats of paint.
Take our lead.
Yes, you can paint vinyl siding. Painting your vinyl siding is not only less expensive than replacing it, painting vinyl siding with our colors for vinyl palette gives you the creative freedom that comes with choosing a fresh color scheme for an entirely new look.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.